Good morning and happy Fri-Yeeaahhy! Right behind me is the beautiful, semi-frozen Mississippi River. Beautiful backdrop for this Friday morning video. Ryan, recovering alcoholic and addict, sober 267 days. It's day 26 of 75 hard. Now, here's something kind of interesting. Day 26 of 75 hard. I've gotten a lot of wows, question marks, a lot of disbelief that I'm doing 75 hard from my sober peers. Well, that's only 26 days of doing something that is good for me mentally, physically, discipline, dedication, and building up solid habits in that format for a better quality of life. Okay. When in active addiction and use, I couldn't count the amount of days I went consistently in a deteriorating, destructive state of living my life. So counting up 26 days for the positive is actually not a surprise, because I have it in me, and you have it in you, to string together consecutive days of any type of habit, whether it be the positive building yourself up habit, or are you gonna be prone to your giving in and weak to your addiction type habit, or maybe it's not addicted to alcohol or drugs. Maybe it's addicted to mindlessly scrolling Facebook or Netflix, or healthy or unhealthy eating, or bad habits. We all have it in us to string together consecutive days, but I've made the turn and changed it to, let's have consecutive days that build me up inside, providing value, self-love, and care to myself, so that I can make a better impact in the world that I live in, which starts with me, that will affect my relationships, in my job, in my family, in society, my neighbors, and how I present myself to the world. So stringing together 26 days of 75 hard is no big deal. As a matter of fact, it should be on everybody's to-do list. Make it a great day. And again, happy Friday. Fist pump me.